Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because iPhone centralizes permissions there. This saves time and avoids hunting through each app. Tap Settings, then scroll to Privacy and Security. This is where groups like Location and Camera live. Once there, pause and identify which permission you need to change: camera, microphone, or photos. Make sure to note the app names that will appear under each category. That lets you jump directly to the app-level toggles without extra searching. Next, tap the relevant category to inspect which apps requested that permission. This shows why an app can access hardware or data. Toggle switches let you grant or revoke access quickly. Choose Ask Next Time to force a prompt. For location specifically, pick Never, Ask, while using, or Always depending on necessity and privacy. Once done, the change applies immediately. This prevents background access and reduces unwanted data. Finally, if you need per app control, open Settings, scroll to the app itself, and adjust permissions listed under its entry. This gives you both granular control and context for why access exists. Also check background app refresh and cellular permissions, since they interact with functionality tied to access. If a toggle won't change, restart your iPhone, then update iOS. That fixes most UI glitches and permission sync problems. If issues persist, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.